Okay. Right. So for people who don't know me, I'm Bala Subramanian, and I work as a MySQL release engineering team. And this is, again, as I said, this is kind of presented in GADS, and that's by my director. And I just want to present something about MySQL 8. The best gets even better. Okay, that's a safe harbor statement. And we have few things to highlight. These are the list of customers who run on MySQL. And to name, it's like Uber and GitHub. There are a few other as well. And we have published MySQL 8.0 on 19th April. So that's very recent. So I just thought of highlighting a few things so that you're aware of what's happening in MySQL with the release part. So as you said, MySQL 8.0 is G8, and we have got few features, which is NoSQL documents store, which means that now we say that MySQL 8 has got SQL plus NoSQL. And we have even got the JSON support in it. So for people who are looking out for JSON support, yes, we have kind of a solution for it. So 8.0.11 is the solution. And we have got CTEs, and we've got Windows function. And again, a very nice improvements for the InnoDB. And we have got a very nice replication improvement. So we're going to see those in the slides. And we've got roles introduced, and we've got unique code. So we're going to see how emojis are getting supported. And there is last thing is on the GIS, the nice improvement on GIS as well. So I'll go through very quickly, we've got very few minutes. So MySQL 8.0 is SQL plus NoSQL. So having said that, we have got the full JSON support through our new XDev API NoSQL interface. And again, on top of it, the other points are like how we do it. This is a very neat diagram saying that we've got a connectors on top, and we've got a MySQL shell, and it connects to the SQL API. And for the MySQL shell, it interacts with the X protocol, and internally, if you see that we have got both NoSQL and SQL. Right. So the document store, it's the main thing about the NoSQL support, and it has got a full Node.js integration, and it has got an auto-completion support in IDs as well. And MySQL 8.0 shell has got a nice prototyping capabilities, and you get a full SQL and XDev support with a built-in auto-completion, which is kind of a very important features. And the best part is you can set up your InnoDB cluster support within a few minutes. And it's a nice DevOps tool for someone who's like, want to try out, you can try this out. It's available in dev.mysql.com. Let me not go to it in depth, because I'll just walk over on all the important points. So we get it through the JSON table function, which is available in MySQL 8.0. We get the full support, JSON support. So that's very important. And these are the examples on how we get it. And as I said, the nested arrays, it is in labs. So if you want, you can try out. These are the list of functions. Very quickly on the efficient replication, as I said, this is a graph which clearly shows that how things have improved with 8.0. And we have got this transactional data dictionary, which means that all the system tables are kind of moved into the data dictionary. And with that, we have got an improvement, significant improvement, which means that MySQL 8.0 is twice faster as 5.7. And a nice support for CTE and Windows function. And a better handling of hot row contention. This is very important because we've got very things from the community saying that this is a very good feature to have, and we have got it. Invisible features. This is something for a DVA. In case if I want to hide it, I can just say that is invisible, keep it for some time, and see that things are okay. If we're not using anything, we can just either soft tell it or do a rollout. SQL roles, which is very important, and again, this is kind of implemented in 8.0. Performance is very important. It's 30x faster, and you can use all these variables to get the performance right. Okay, world of emojis. We get the support using the UTF-8. Yes, MySQL 8 defaults to UTF-8 MB4. Just we have completely built in and ready to use. So there is no extra configuration or installation. It's very powerful. If you've got a full geography support, and it's kind of projected, it's flat and across 2 dimensions. Persistent, in case it's a word of DevOps cloud, yes, we have got it through this persistent, variable, you say set persist max connection equal to 500, and you are set. InnoDB, a nice improvement on InnoDB. We got a document store, JSON, and we've got automatic DDL. As I said, everything is in the InnoDB database. And this is what this community is looking out for. They are looking out for an instant add column. So what we have done is we have got it in labs, and it will be available very soon in the next release. Replication, there are a lot of replications for it, nice improvements, and very good improvement on the group replication. And this is very important on the InnoDB cluster part as well. We get the high availability achieved through this MySQL. And these are a few graphs which shows us benchmark on read-write, sysbench, and a lot of features. So I can't cover everything in 5 minutes, just all set. And last, it's upgrade checker, which can able to help you in upgrading from 5.7 to 5 into 8.0. And coming soon, as we're going to have your Oracle Cloud data center soon in India, and MySQL 8 will be on cloud by June mid. Yep, a few things for you to go over. For more learnings, any questions, you can reach out in our booth. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.